What up, everybody? My name is John Barker. Welcome back to Skull and Mortar. The word around the campfire is you're not a real pitmaster if you can't cook a chicken without injecting it. Come on, dude. Of course we can cook a chicken without injecting it. Today, we're gonna go no injection, and I'm gonna show you guys how to cook a basic chicken half. Oh yeah, guys, I love it. You guys can hear the landscaping company, the wind chimes. It's friggin' chaos out here. Since I'm not at all interested in being a professional, we're gonna go ahead and film on, my friends. So first off, I got this chicken for $4.38. I saved $1.70, my friends. Search for a bargain where you can, all right? Look at that, $1.70. Holla at your boy. If you're paying more than that, you're a sucker. Just kidding, I usually pay more than that, but whoa. Got a chicken neck here. Get rid of that, I ain't cooking that. All right, guys, so when you get your chicken, you want to put it breast down. Why breast down? Because you can't cut the spine if the spine is on the cutting board. You know what I'm saying? Unless maybe you got some weird ass knife skill where you're just gonna go in through the cavities, but we're not gonna do all that, are we? Because that's stupid. If you do that, I don't want to be your friend. We're just gonna go ahead and cut along the spine. Now, once you get in here, you can see that spine open up, and you're just gonna break those little rib bones right down through there with your knife. You can use a boning knife like I just did. You can use a cleaver, whatever. We got links to both in the description down below, okay? Once you open that up, you're gonna lay it down on that back, spread it wide open. Don't be a pervert, you sickos, dude. Come on, have some class. And I'm gonna grab these poultry shears, all right? Poultry shears are dope, you should have a pair. If you don't, you should get some. Kitchen shears, whatever, I don't know what they're actually called. Who gives a Just get some. Cut that right off, look at that, look what we're doing here. Bam, boom, boom, come on. We don't need this, we're gonna get rid of it. Makes good chicken stock. I would suggest that you use all of the meat, show some respect. This was a living creature. Now, we've broken the sternum here. So we've done effectively what's called a spatchcock. Now I just want to kind of flip this over and take a look at what I'm working with here. So we've broken that breastplate right there. We'll just go ahead and yank that out of there. We don't need this. Okay, so now we should have a nice, smooth, easy cut here. Boom, right down the middle. Okay, we got a little bit here that we still need to get through. We're gonna go back to the kitchen shears. Okay, we broke through that now. I'm gonna flip this over. Come on, look at that. Look at that, dog. You trying to tell me that that doesn't look amazing? Two little perfect chicken halves. Now, you can clean these up if yours are looking a little rambunctious, if you will, or you can just let it slide, because who gives a shit? We're gonna eat it all anyway, right? Just a heads up, guys. I clean this board between cuts, so it's not a big deal, all right? I already know, I saw the criticism. It's whatever, it looks good on the video, so we just roll with it. Now, again, just to show that I do have access to something other than spray oil, we're gonna hit some olive oil here, and we're just gonna get all over the skin of this. We want to get the oil everywhere. Why? For two reasons. One, it's gonna help hold your rub on. It's gonna give it something to bind to. Two, it's gonna help get you that crispy bite through skin, all right? If you're super concerned with how the skin looks, you can go ahead and you can hit toothpicks in here to kind of hold the skin in place. I'm not really tripping, dude. I'm eating it myself. But if I was gonna cook this on my truck and serve it to a customer, I would definitely toothpick the skin so it was looking frosty as hell, if you know what I'm saying. We try to keep it beautiful. All right, you eat with your eyes, okay? We're gonna hop over to our boys at Char Griller. We're gonna break out that chicken rub. If you watch my videos, you know that I literally use this on everything, and I'm really hoping they'll send me some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a base layer of chicken rub. This is gonna be great because the salt and pepper in here is gonna really help make that chicken dynamic as possible. Lift that wing, baby. Get up under there. Whoa, got a little freaky with it. That's okay. But the salt is also gonna help draw some of that fat moisture out of the skin, which is not only gonna add the flavor, but it is also going to get your skin crispy. All right, you want bite through skin, right? So we've done that. Oh, and what time is it? Skull and Mortar time, baby. We're getting that rub out. What's up, Gio? Come on, look at that. Now this is gonna add a lot of color to it. It's gonna add depth of flavor. It's gonna add some sweet. It's gonna add some spicy. It's gonna add some pepper notes. It really is the ultimate everything barbecue rub. I guarantee you that you will not find one better. And it is time, my friends. That's it. It's that simple to make a chicken half, to prep it, to cook it. And we're gonna throw these onto the smoker at 300 degrees. We're just gonna let them right out. We're gonna check them about every hour or so. I'm expecting it to take about 3 hours. Get it to 165 degrees. If you're not getting it to 165 degrees, you're gonna get botula or salmonella or something, all right? Don't do that, that's gross. The juice already just running off. Perfect chicken halves right there. Come on, dude. What are you doing with your life if it's not making chicken like this? All right, guys, we got this perfect chicken. Look at this juice, my man. Come on. No injections, none of that. None of that. So recently, right, I went to Memphis, as you know, Hernando, Mississippi, to check out Malcolm Reed's shop. But I also made another stop at a barbecue restaurant called Uncle Joe's. And I picked up this bottle of Happy Ending. Now, typically I would just use my own stuff, but in this instance, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this because it's actual fire. And until I make my own Happy Ending, that sounds gross. But until I make my own finishing rub, this is what I'm gonna use. We're just gonna give it a light dusting here. We're not gonna do too much because we don't wanna overpower the flavors we already have. All right, you ready for this, Fred? Look at that juice, come on. Is it juicy enough?
It's too hot.
Is it freaking juicy enough, my dudes? Come on. You tell me.
It's too juicy.
No injection, boy. Still juicy as possible. You ready to taste test it, Fred?
Is it hot?
I'm literally just tearing it apart. That's the worst thing I could possibly do with it, but.
Is it hot?
I mean, it's gonna be spicy. It just came off the smoker. First off, hold on. Look at this chicken. Look at that, boom. Just shreds right apart. Amazing, perfect. Look at the skin. It's crispy, it's delicious, it's loaded with flavor. I'm sneaking a little preview bite. You wanna try some, Fred? Come on. Let's try this first. Oh my God, it fell out of my mouth. I didn't get this big by missing the hole in my mouth, right? Am I right, guys? You know what I'm talking about? My grandma's the only one that said that. Look at that, you wanna try some skin?
Dad?
Are you freaked out by the skin? Try that. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, you know the chicken?
You can taste all the seasoning. Yeah, have some. Tear it right off there. This is so good. Well, there it is, guys. That's how you cook some chicken halves. Basic, easy, not even any injections, Terry, you son of a. There are no rules in cooking, all right? Cook good, eat good. I'll see you next week. Skullandmortar.com. Buy some rubs. Buy some sauce.